Okay, let's go.
So this is how not to run over your son. Episode 1. Tell me which way to steer.
About to hit the lump.
Oh my god, it's starting to go.
That's alright. Just let it go.
No, don't let it go. I'm scared. No.
Oh, steer right now, my dear.
Yeah, I know. I don't really want to hit the stinger. Then I'd be in trouble. Broom, broom.
Hard left. Hard left.
It's actually harder than you think.
Yeah, very hard left.
There's no power steering.
No.
Hang on, I don't want to run into those rocks either. So I'm going to go a bit
Steer left.
right.
Steer left. Steer left. Steer left. Steer left.
Yeah, okay, I'm going left. Do you want a 21-year-old
Now straight.
argument? Now what?
Swing out that way a bit. Now left. Go hard left. Hard left.
I'm doing it. I'm doing it. Right.
Straighten her up a bit.
Right. Is that straight? Man, this is scary.
Alright, go forward side. Good. Yep.
No, don't do it too fast. No. Hello, doggy. Hello, Wazzy. We made it. Phew. This is not gonna. Is that all you need me for?
Oh, we've got to actually get in the ship.
Oh, rightio. Hello. Hello, Wazzy. Well, he's grown, hasn't he? He was a little furry puppy once.
Proper.
Now it looks like a dingo, a white one.
Yeah.
That's why the snakes don't. You're seriously not leaving Woody there, are you?
Not now.
No, but you're not going to, are you?
Not yet.
No? Oh, you're not listening.
Alright. Steer left a bit, steer left a bit, steer left a bit.
Tell me when, tell me what.
Alright, just hold it there a second. Okay, so you want to steer right just a tad. Steer right a tad. Right a bit more, please. Right a bit more. Oh, sorry, I apologise. Left. Left, 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 left. Come on, bring it back up, Jonathan. We'll take a run off the thing in a minute.
Right, well,
Okay, steer
I'm-
left now.
Still there. If you can.
Okay, that's it. Okay, let's go. Okay, now straight. That'll do.
I'm not, you're not making me go up on it.
That's it.
You're not, are you?
Safe and sound. No, no, no.
Oh, good.